This is not just a Chevelle. This is a 632 cubic inch big block Restomod built to represent pure American muscle power. A machine that speaks through sound, presence, and attitude. The Chevelle has always been one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built. A design that represents strength, aggression, and raw performance from a golden era of automotive history. Even decades later, it still holds the same impact. Because some designs don't age, they evolve in meaning over time. In this Restomod version, the spirit of the original car is still alive, but everything has been taken to a completely new level. Classic design meets modern engineering in a way that respects history while improving performance in every direction. The wide stance, long hood, and aggressive proportions still define the car's identity. It carries that unmistakable muscle car silhouette that made it legendary for decades. Every angle of the body reflects power. Nothing about it feels soft or neutral. It was built to be noticed, but underneath, everything has evolved. Modern upgrades transform the driving experience completely. Better stability, improved control, and refined performance bring this classic into a new generation without losing its original character. Suspension improvements help the car sit lower and more stable on the road. Braking systems are upgraded to handle modern performance demands. And the overall setup is engineered to balance raw power with real drivability. At the heart of this build sits a massive 632 cubic inch big block engine, a symbol of raw mechanical power. This engine represents the peak era of American performance culture, where displacement meant everything and sound was part of the experience. Big displacement, strong torque, and an unmistakable presence define what this type of machine is all about. It is not built for silence, it is built for impact. Every press of the throttle delivers immediate response. Every acceleration feels physical, not just mechanical. Restomods like this exist for one purpose: to preserve the feeling of classic performance while upgrading everything around it. They take something old and make it usable in today's world without losing its soul. Inside, the focus remains on the driving experience, a combination of vintage inspiration and modern comfort, designed to connect the driver with the machine in a more refined way. The cabin keeps a balance between old-school identity and modern usability. Clean layout, upgraded materials, and performance-focused design all work together to keep attention on driving. What makes builds like this special is not just power or design, it is character, a reminder that cars were once built to be loud, expressive, and full of personality. Even in a world of modern technology, machines like this still capture attention instantly because they represent something timeless, pure mechanical emotion, pure American muscle, and that is why the Chevelle will always remain an icon.